guys in the background. Guys, before the scenes, my friend was running and we ran to the fountain and the security caught us. The literal security caught us.
Are you serious?
No, now the security know us and they pulled my brother's arm to get him up and run.
Who?
You only, bro. Bro, the security was coming to beat our ass up. Guys, because we are near the fountain, he was literally trying to beat our ass up. I just go there, guys. It was that orange color guy plan. The orange color guy with the t-shirt.
Please stop.
We got found by the security guards and we are literally cooked. I mean literally, and we run also. Then we caught the security's attention and I don't know what videos I should post. There are like so many videos that I should post a very long time ago, and the security guard almost I hopefully ended recording, or else if I'm recording, guys, I would be caught. It's the best thing. So that's the behind of the scenes, me yapping. My friend find a rock. I have to drink some water. I'm ending and my phone has like 18%. So I'm ending this.
Bye. Today, subscribe.
అది మీరు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.